In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process subcontractor superannuation in Xero 5 minutes. First, sign into your Xero organization and head straight to payroll on the main menu. From there, open employees. This is where you'll manage both employees and contractors. Select the subcontractor you want to set up or add a new person if they're not listed yet. In their details, set the employee type to contractor and the income type to non-employee. This tells Xero that you're not withholding PAYG like a standard employee, but you still want to record and pay superannuation for them. Next, assign a payroll calendar that matches how often you intend to process their pay or contributions, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. This keeps dates and accruals consistent. Now switch to the Pay Template tab for this contractor, click Add Superannuation line, choose the contractor's superannuation fund. If you don't see it, make sure their fund details are saved in their profile first, including any membership information provided by the contractor or their fund. Select the contribution type that suits your arrangement and set the calculation type to fixed amount. For many contractors, super is paid as a set dollar value each cycle according to the contract or invoice terms. Enter the specific amount you've agreed to contribute, then link the line to the correct expense and liability accounts in your chart of accounts, typically a superannuation expense account for the cost, and a superannuation payable account for the amount you owe to the fund. Accurate mapping keeps your reporting clean and makes bank reconciliation easier. Save the template to lock in those settings. When you're ready to pay, process the payment as you normally would. If you manage super separately, go to payroll, then superannuation, add the accruals for the relevant period, and submit them for approval. This prepares the batch for payment to the fund through your usual method. Alternatively, if you include the contractor in regular payroll, create a pay run using the assigned calendar. The fixed super amount you set will flow into the run automatically. That's it. You've set up the contractor correctly, added a superannuation line, and prepared the contribution for approval and payment. Revisit the pay template anytime to adjust amounts or accounts, and keep your calendar aligned with how the contractor invoices you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.